Minecraft. Hi guys. So let's go play Minecraft. I mean let's go play back. I made this base when I finished recording that other videos. I made up my first armor, you know that. So I've been making a house here and I found a dog now. What do we call here, guys? It's gonna be what? What is this name will be? It will be Rainbow City, guys. Oh, there's a dog there here. Then I have now a pet here and my friend has no pet yet. I will lead him here. So in my recent video I made a armor, so you guess it, it's here. So I found a dungeon and I made a what is that? I made a I don't know, I forgot. So let's go find diamonds. Look at this, I've been grinding. I need so many food, so that's why I'm grinding. Let's go! Let's find the village. Where is my base? And did you see I have a what is that? Ender pearl, so I needed that because I'm going to I'm gonna go to the, guess it guys, to the end dimension. Let's go. Let me go to the, in my last video I didn't show you because I killed the, what is that? I killed the pillager leader and I didn't look for, I cannot fight here. Let's go, baby. I have no full iron armor. Let's go. If you're, I forgot, if you're new in the channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe. So I'm going to the pillager outpost again. There's a pillager here, I know it. If I come here, there will be, there's nothing here. Oh, it's okay. Oh, that's almost dying. Oh, I'm lucky I didn't die. Oopsies. Let me run away from them. Let's go. Run. Oh, I found the lava pool. Should I put him? Hey, come here, my friend. I got you. It almost died. I'm lucky. Hey, this Minecraft, I don't know what is happening if I play this. If I put what is that? fish and I will take him. The water is still there. She will not go out. I don't know. Let's go. Let's play. You see that? I made a golden carrot. And I have many gold. Let's go. Oh, that almost. Let me die. I found the village, but I'm gonna eat. Guys, did you hear me? Wait a second. Let's go. Do you hear me now? So guys, I have 14 subscribers. I think I didn't. Did you hear me? I thought I'm gonna die. I will go there. I found a big ravine where I did go. I think it's somewhere here. I think somewhere. Where over here. It's so far down